Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl. It is June and we just got our Wanderlust box from Mr. Nola's Glitter a day earlier than the postal system said it was going to deliver it, so yay! So let's just get going. This is Rachel, Mrs. Nola's birthday box. According to the website, I have specifically not looked at any spoiler pictures and I did not watch her unboxing video that's up on YouTube already. I will link to that below. So I do not know what her birthday surprise is all about here, so let's go. Well, I see sprinkles. You're invited to Mrs. Nola's birthday party. New Orleans, June 2021. Favors will be provided, I'm guessing. 1-800-GLITTER, all right. Okay, on the back, I won't read through all of this just yet. We'll refer to it as we go, but it says Rachel's birthday party, MNG Travel, June 2021. And the little blurb at the top, hey travelers, this month you're invited to Mrs. Nola's birthday party. The Queen of Sparkles and Rainbows celebrates her birthday on the 16th of June. So we've gotten together with some of her closest friends to curate 8 special party favors for the June Wanderlust box. Each favor is indicative of a shared love of crafting, travel, and friendship that we would love to share with you. An exclusive MNG template. Visit the secret link below and use your special one-time use code to get your template. Let's dig in. So this looks like our clear cast from Crafty Thrivin' LLC. I would say cake and sprinkles. What would you say? Okay, clear cast icing on the cake. A set of 3 sheets of Crafty Thrivin's clear cast material decorated in vibrant rainbow icing swirls, slices of sprinkled cake, and an adorable unicorn with a very important reminder. Wow, that was hard. All right, so we have the cake. We have the swirls or rosettes of icing colors, and always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. Less bitter, more glitter. That is a wonderful, wonderful sentiment. Thank you very much for that. Rose quartz heart gifted by Nicole Merritt. Rose quartz that is perfect size for collecting in a bowl or using as a pocket stone. All right, I'm guessing maybe, yep, that's this. That's very, oh, it's a heart shape. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. I have a lot of crystals, so I will put that aside. I think we can, ooh, Sour Patch Kids in watermelon. Okay. Not big on candy these days that aren't chocolate, but I may have to break into that at some point. Wish you were here luggage tags from Bridget Bader's Impressions. You know what? Let's take everything out of the bag. This is too difficult. I'm just going to take it all out and we'll go through it there. Oh, here we go. Luggage tags. Oh, that's adorable. I think you pop it open. Is that? I don't want to break anything. But it looks like you can pop it open. Oh, no, broke it. Okay, looks like you can pop it open. There we go. Just remember that, folks. Don't do what I just did, or you'll break it right off the bat. And you can put your information that you want to have show through the window. That's very nice. A little fragile, but very nice. Okay. And here is obviously a handle, whoops, a handle to go with our luggage tag. More glitters. Ooh, Maribel, oh, I got more rainbow alcohol ink, you guys. Oh my gosh, I was running a little low. Oh, she must have known. She must have known. Okay, that is it. Box aside, more space. Spread everything out. Okay. Glitter. I'm still not sure about that. Those are wood pieces. Here is a gorgeous heart. And here is a set of something that says, let's get crafty. Okay. Wanderlust plaque mold gifted by Chris DeGeorge. That must be this. Oh, very pretty. Very pretty. So you can make your own tag with this too. How cool is that? I love it. Lots of love heart coaster mold. That's gorgeous. If I had a giant tumbler, I would do a 3D cup with this. It's a little big for that, but this would go great on a box or a book or a canvas. But I may do this on a box. What do you think? Let me know below what you want me to put this on so we can test it out. I mean, it'd be pretty all by itself as a coaster, but I think we should put it on something. Let me know. Exclusive template gifted by Linda Davis at LB Creations is known for their awesome, easy to use templates, and Linda has created a special one just for the Wanderlust box. Okay, that's what that special postcard with the code on it was all about. Okay. Friendship ring gifted by Jennifer Webb. An adjustable double stacked ring with a crown of rainbow stones that was chosen to represent the saying on the accompanying sticker, be the rainbow in someone else's cloud. Okay, oh, there it is. Ooh, look at that, it's a crown. Oh, that's so cool. That's very pretty. Okay, it needs to be adjusted a little more for me. There we go. Very pretty. Love it. Okay. Love Freely Rainbow Blank gifted by Aisha of Love Crafts, and Mrs. Nola partnered with Zindi to create an adorable 2-inch acrylic blank and pastel rainbow vinyl cutout to create your own keychain or charm. Okay, that's, I believe, what this is, because this looks like an acrylic blank. And I guess my mind was in the gutter. Obviously, it's a rainbow with a heart at the end. That's what it actually is. A rainbow that says love freely and ends in a heart. Or from a heart and ends in love freely. Feeling Crafty Toolkit gifted by Leslie Shirtliff of Crafty Thriving LLC. A set of 4 tools for weeding vinyl, getting those rhinestones into place, or separating clear cast from the backing. This little set will come in handy no matter what the craft. Got 2 different tweezers though. These are beautiful. Look at that. That's really nice, and then straight ones. Wow, you could sure put your eye out with that, right, Mom? Then dentist tools. Okay. Yep, those are good for weeding and separating things and terrifying dental patients. Really, oh yeah, and a scooper thing too. Excellent. Very nice tools. There we go. There. Excellent. Mrs. Nola, or Ms. Nola pack, gifted by Angie Collins, Shop Wicked Gold on Etsy. An adorable pack of 2 wooden pieces meant to be customized, each with a special meaning to Mrs. Nola. The fleur-de-lis shadow caster is the perfect little homage to New Orleans, and the unicorn speaks for itself. Okay. There's the unicorn, there's the fleur-de-lis, and there's a... Oh, and here's something to use with it, clearly. I'll have to look into this further. Okay, now our 4 glitters. We have Gemini Jubilee. Oh, wow. Fabulous Festivities. Cake Candles. Okay, that's when I started reading. And Rainbow Bash. Okay, first up, Rainbow Bash. A jewel rainbow mix of textured, these are the textured hexes. Okay, so this ought to be a very full jar because these are very lightweight, and it's 2 ounces by weight. So, yeah, right at the top there. Helps to have the scoop right set up. They are beautiful. All sorts of different colors in there. Purples, reds, greens. Very pretty. Cake Candles. 2 ounces of an adorable dot mix in an array of sunshine yellow colors to represent the flames on the birthday candles. Yeah, I see all different sizes of dots in there. Very citrusy also. This would work great with a citrus cup. Fabulous Festivities, a dazzling and unique mix of small holographic rainbow squares packed 2 ounces by weight into our Wanderlust jar. I've discovered hollow is even more incredible if you're out of focus, actually. It shows up even better, but that's, whoops, sorry. That is really, really beautiful. Gemini Jubilee, 2 ounces of a party in a Wanderlust jar. This laser rainbow chunky mix comes in triangle shapes and a variety of hex sizes. Wow. More wow. They send jars of wow every month, don't they? That is gorgeous. Whoops. And it's going everywhere. Okay, let's recap. Okay, we have our invitation and our gorgeous glitters and our wood pieces to work on and our heart mold. See that? Okay. And our luggage tag that I broke already. And our Wanderlust luggage tag mold. And our coveted bottle of rainbow alcohol ink. And our gorgeous craft tools. And our beautiful heart of rose quartz. And our lovely, lovely clear cast. Voila! 'Tis beautiful. All right, that's it. I am not going to do anything today. I want to get this uploaded. I will link to Mrs. Nola's unboxing below. I'm sure she has much more to say about these things since it's about her and her birthday. Thank you for joining me. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.